All right, find the volume. We are revolving the region bounded by 1 minus x. So that's starting at 1, and it has a negative slope. So we're down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1. That's this shape here. Y equals 0. That's this line here. And x equals 0. So this is my shaded region right here. I'm taking that shaded region. That's my bounded region. I'm going over the line y equals -1. That's the line y equals -1. So I'm taking that thing, and I'm going down this way. So it's going to be this right here. Does that make sense? So we're revolving it down over the line y equals -1. So this would be the other chunk of information. Okay, so that means it's going to be a washer, because I'm going to have a circle that goes from that side to that side. Yeah, I hate these things. It's that. Let me change its color. Oh, I'm going to get way too fancy here. Change the transparency to make it easier to look through. Oh, that's too much. Whatever. All right, I screwed up. So from there to there is the one circle, and then one there to there would be the inside circle, because I had to reflect 2 lines there. Okay, so my washer shape is going to end up being that blue washer thing right there. All right? So we're going to integrate because we're finding volume. When would we stack these washers from? 0 to 1. And 0 and 1 are those x values or y values? dx. I want to integrate the area, and my area is going to be a washer. So it's big circle minus little circle. So it's pi r squared minus pi r squared, where this one is the big circle and this one's the little circle. So big circle is the outside edge. So the outside edge, where would I start to make my line? From 1 minus x, the outside line, and I would draw that radius from there to there. So from 1 minus x to when? And so it's 1 minus x and then what? 1 minus x, top minus bottom. So it's 1 minus x minus -1. So if it's minus -1, it becomes plus, which is going to be important here. All right? And then the same thing with the second one. So my little circle is going from here to here, from here to here, from there to there. So it's going from 0 minus the line we're revolving around. So it's 0 minus -1, so it becomes +1. Does that make sense? Pull a pi out. So this is 1 plus another 1, so it's 2 minus x squared minus 1 squared, so -1. Plug that in. We'll get an answer. So you can go. I'll just type it in. So pi out in front. Math 9. 0 to 1. And then we're going parentheses. 2 minus x. What's up? Okay. Thank you. -1, and then dx. Type it in. Hit enter. 4.189. Make sense? Good deal. All right. Hopefully that helps.